Hey, good morning, everybody. We're here at Bobby's Hobbies, and we're looking at the experimental fleet that is being built on spare parts, kit bashing. This was my original R1 that I built using a Tyco shell. It has a unique design, has a very large S-gauge motor in it, and the gear train is something that I built. It's not manufactured, so there is none like it, and it is super low gear. This is the one we've been watching lately, the R1 that has two trucks in it in the center that are Limas. This is another one with two Lima trucks in it. It was running great, but it's still not right. I mean, these trucks are a little off, and I took the top off. I'm gonna have to fix it now just to see what they look like when they run. Believe it or not, it's gonna run. Something shorting. Yep, it shorted out. Okay, that's because probably this thing is doing it while it's in its discombobulated state. And I've got another one here. So let's see, does this one run? Let's see if this one runs. I think this one is wired backwards. Let me take this monster off because the monster here is definitely helping to short things out. Now let's see if they run now. I shut power off. Oh, something's still shorting. Let me take this one off. Could be that one. Still shorting. Maybe this one's got the wrong trucks on. Nope, that's right. Oh, this one's wrong. Nope, that one's right. Wait a minute, let's see if something else is shorting it. Now all of them are off the tracks. Okay, nothing's shorting. So, wow. All right, well, we'll be back here, figure this out. Thanks for, let's not give up so quick. Let's not give up so quickly. All right, so that one's working, which is good. All right, that's fine. So let's take this off for the moment. And we'll put this over here with his brother or sister. It's being built. Now we're going to try this by itself. This has no trucks yet. This is going to have a penline shell. Ooh. Sounds like it's derailed somewhere. Not shorting, but it could be a loose connection. Oh, this is off. All right, needs work coupled with it's got no lead and trailing trucks for extra juice pickup. So that's viable. Let's look at the ancient beast. This is with the S-gauge drive. This is not easy. Very heavy. And it's got an all-metal frame. And I can't just pop the hood off because it's bolted on. Unlike these others. We'll know right away. Okay, it's the light's on, so no